Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. So this 20 minutes I'm going to focus more on our core area where it includes our abdominal area, this part, obliques, as well as to strengthen our back, which is very important when we are working on our stomach area. So we're going to start this next 20 minutes with cat and cow, just to give you a little warming up and heads up, so that you don't start to feel too stiff and rigid with your spine. Inhale, rest below your shoulder, knees below your hips, looking up. Inhale and down. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale, looking down. As you inhale, arching your back, lifting your head and tailbone. As you exhale, tilt your pelvis, chin towards your collarbone, tuck your tummy in. Inhale, up and arch. Exhale and curl. Now, from this very position, you can take your right leg step back and tuck your toes at the back, keeping your leg aligned with your spine and as well as your arm. Inhale and exhale, holding in the center with your weight completely equally distributed with your hand and your knee and your foot at the back. You can tuck your toe if you like. Inhale and exhale, hold. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more deep breathe in. Deep breathe out, slowly coming back. Rest remain below your shoulder, knees below your hips, holding the center without moving around and stretching your left leg back and right arm in front. Hold. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, paying attention where you are feeling and being aware of your breath. Exhale, coming back to center. Tuck your toes at the back. Perhaps you can make a fist if your wrist starts to feel too much for you. And then from this position, you will lift your knees 1 centimeter off the mat and holding your core here. You can feel the touch of your knee with your floor, the mat, but you're not putting your weight on it at all. You're holding it, using your core. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale, rest and sit back. Catch your breath in child pose. Arms rested. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Slowly coming up and sitting back on your bum. Now, those who have been doing this for some time, you can make all of these exercises a little more challenging, and those who are just beginning to start or you have a little weaker around your core, you can always modify them, which I'm going to show you everything so that you can make it easier or more difficult. So those who are a beginner can lift your knees up, put your hands on the floor, knees together if you want, and hold this pose. Inhale and exhale. But if you feel you can do more than this, you bring your arms up, keeping your head to tailbone aligned, holding your core throughout. Inhale And exhale. Now if you find this too easy, you're always welcome to straighten your leg and hold here, or you can remain, bring it back and hold, opening your chest. Both pose, inhale and exhale. You might start to feel shivering, which I even do it, so be aware of it. Enjoy and smile perhaps at it. Inhale and exhale. That means that you're working on your core, your belly, stomach. Now if you have a sensitive back, remember to keep your elbow on the floor right below your shoulder and hold this pose. Again, same. Now if your back is even more sensitive, you're welcome to lie down on your back, support your bum where your back with your hands underneath your butt and stay here with the head down. That way, it's the easiest way to hold. So now depending on how much can you do, you can take your leg further or back. And now perhaps you can rest. Catch your breath. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Those who were standing before, sitting up, you can also lie down. And if you need support for your lower back, I want you to keep your hands underneath your bum. Those who do not need a support, and you can bring your hands by the side of your body. But those who are very good, you think you're strong around your core, we can use our hand and head lifted and both legs up as well. You can keep them straight or bent, but holding it here. Or you can keep your hands underneath your butt and holding it here. Inhale and exhale. Now there are some who feel very stiff around the neck, so you're welcome to keep your hands at the back and hold this pose here. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. You will start to feel on your core. Be aware. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Slowly dropping your head down, hugging your knees. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. This time hands underneath your butt. And slowly straighten your legs 90 degrees. Hold here, flex your toes as much as you can. Then slowly taking your legs down, holding at 60 degrees. 3 breaths. Inhale and exhale. You're welcome to bend if you like. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale, coming down. 30 degree. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more deep breathe in. Deep breathe out, coming back up. 90 degree. Inhale. Exhale. Without touching the floor, bring it back up. Now you can also do this by bending your knee, tapping your floor. Inhale, exhale, down. Inhale, or with the straight knee. Exhale, down. Inhale, and exhale, down. Now, if you're finding this still very difficult, you're welcome to do one by one. Exhale, inhale. Alternative, exhale. All these different variations, you can do all of them, or you can pick one that is comfortable for you. And if you're finding this too easy, you can also bring your head up and do this way. Continue. And if you can also do with both legs down with your head up. And that way it works the best. Exhale and hug your knees, resting in between. Each individual can do different counts, different repetitions, and you will do without even following me. You will do as much as you can, and without hurting yourself, without being too easy on yourself. Very good. Slowly bring your foot on the floor, shoulder width apart, hands also by the side of your body. And coming up for bridge pose, which when you work a lot around here, we also need to take care of our back. Otherwise, you will start hurting your back. So before you come up for a bridge pose, make sure you do this till your pelvis. And then hold that tilt pelvis and come up. Rise and hold here. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Squeeze your bum, tighten your lower back and push them up. And slowly coming down. Counter stretch by pulling your knees towards your chest. Hold here. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Again, hands underneath your butt. Now we're going to work on a little outer part of our abdominal with legs tabletop position. Inhale, drop your legs towards your left side of your mat and back to center. Maintain that 90-degree angle with your knee and moving side to side. If no need of your hands, you don't need to use it, but taking your legs side to side. As you take your legs towards your left side, start feeling from your right side of abdominal. And as you start taking your legs to the other side, start feeling from here. Inhale and exhale. To make it easier, you can even cross them. Exhale, and you go down. Inhale, bringing it back, hold. Exhale, down. Inhale. Exhale, down and inhale. Do not forget to breathe in and out. Exhale, bring it back. Outside of your mat. Inhale and exhale. Inhale here. Exhale, down. 2 more times on each side. Inhale. See, and try to do up until you feel you had enough. Each individual is different with their strength, and you will do as much as you can. Taking your time and hugging your knees. Relaxing, being kind to your back. Now from here, now we are going to target exactly on the side, for which I want you to lie down on your side. Come down on your elbow, palm facing down, or make a fist, whatever is comfortable for you. Making sure that your elbow to your ankle with your spine is one straight line. You can always move your knees a little bit, so it gives you a little height range to come up. And we can hold here with your hands down. You can hold here with your arms up. Inhale and exhale. 5 deep breaths. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Stay up or use your hand to support you. Inhale and exhale. Slowly coming down. Catch your breath. Coming around to the other side. Elbows on the top of your knee. Elbows below your shoulder. Knees and hips, everything in the center of your mat. Bend your knees slightly and you help yourself to come up. Making sure your shoulder and elbow are still remain on the top of each other. Make adjustments if you need to. Then come up, inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, keeping your head aligned with your spine, lifting your waist up. And exhale, slowly coming down. Very good. We're going to turn around. You know what we're going to do now. The elbows below your shoulder. Make a big fist or palms on the floor, and make a fist separately, however. But you want to make sure for elbow plank, your elbow is right below your shoulder. Tuck your toes in and lifting yourself up one by one and hold here. Head to tailbone, straight line. Inhale and exhale. Enjoying this gentle comfort. Inhale and exhale. Feeling of being worked out and feeling of being taken care of your body. Inhale and exhale. Perhaps you're sweating a bit. It's a good thing. Inhale and exhale, slowly coming down and rest here. So while we always do exercises for your stomach, we want to always make sure we do exercises for our back. So next few poses, I'm going to focus more on strengthening your back. The first pose, cobra, legs together. L, hands underneath your shoulder. Squeeze your bums and lower back. Lift halfway, stay here. Or if this is too difficult for you, for your wrist or arms, in any reason, come on your elbow and stay here. Inhale, opening your chest and shoulder, looking forward. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale, coming down. Now those who might experience a better stretch with your back by coming up fully. So those who feel that, you can come up. Otherwise, you can do cobra twice, coming a little more higher. You'll feel it. Sometimes people need this for your back. Sometimes you need the lower cobra. Holding it here. And also, if this is too difficult with your elbow bent, you can bring your hands to the front and you can still should be able to keep yourself upright tall to stretch your back. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more deep breathe in. Deep breathe out, slowly coming down. And then, very important stretch, strengthening pose for your back is to keep your thighs underneath your bum, chin down or forehead. I'm very comfortable with chin usually, so you can do whatever is comfortable for you, depending on the chest and the shoulders with this different form. So slowly, slowly, you can lift your legs up, squeeze your bum, tighten your lower back, hold here, inhale and exhale. Squeeze your bum, keep lifting your back up, the legs up, inhale and exhale, because I need to talk, so I'm going to lift my chin, inhale and exhale. One more deep breathe in and deep breathe out and relax. Now, you can do that one more time if you feel like. Otherwise, different poses helps differently. For this one, a Superman pose, they call it. You can lift your whole upper body and lower body together up. Lifting your legs and arms, holding the pose, inhale and exhale. Squeezing your bum and tightening your lower back. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more. Deep breathe in, deep breathe out and rest. Catch your breath and rise up with your knees apart, big toes touching together, sitting down on your heel, bellies in between, lengthening your spine, forehead down, and hold and stay here for as long as you need. So a few tips for you is not to straight away go on doing this floor of this 20 minutes. What you can do is perhaps warm yourself up before you do all of this by doing a gentle stretch from your head to toe and then working on your core. Or you can even go out and take a walk and you're slightly warmed up. You come back, do a gentle stretch and do it when you get there. So this is how I would recommend, but there are many other ways of doing it as well. And try doing it 2-3 times a week at least, and to build up some more strength. And it's so important that we keep the core center of our body a little strong to support the rest of the body. And I wish you all the best.